Hello everyone. My name is present to the practical on greenhouse environmental parameters. So those are the parameters like temperature, REH, solar radiation, carbon dioxide, air velocity, etc. and prepare profiles for those parameters. So we are going to see all this stuff in this practical. Okay. So we'll start. So title to measure greenhouse environmental parameters, temperature, RH, solar radiation, CO2, air velocity, etc. and prepare profiles for those parameters. Theory. Various instruments are used for measuring environment parameter in greenhouse. First, temperature. Second, solar intensity. Third, humidity. Fourth, leaf area index. Fifth is photosynthetic rate. Instruments for temperature measurement. So first is liquid in glass. Example, alcohol colored with dyes. Hg alcohol colored with dyes. Range minimum 37.5 degrees Celsius for Pentium, high 340 degrees Celsius up to 560 degrees Celsius by filling space above Hg, that is mercury, with CO2 N2 at high pressure. So when you for temperature measuring, the thermometer having liquid in glass component, we will have maximum temperature up to measuring limit up to 560 degree Celsius, okay, at high pressure, and minimum for 340 degrees Celsius, also 37.5 degrees Celsius for Pentium, okay. Then bimetallic thermometer. In this unequal expansion of two dissimilar metal that have been founded together into narrow strip and coiled is used to move a pointer around a die. So here this thermometer is used for measuring the two dissimilar or unlike metals having narrow strip in the thermometer and coil used to move the pointer from the dial. Okay, so for measuring the two unlike metals, this thermometer having narrow strip and coil having pointer is used for measuring it. Okay. Next is gas thermometer. It is based on change in resistance of conductor with temperature. Platinum nickel is used. So this is gas thermometer in which platinum nickel is used. Okay. Thermistor, thermally sensitive resistor made of ceramic like semiconducting material. They exist in small chip. The oxide of Ca, Mn, Ni, Li are blended in suitable proportion. So thermistor is generally made of ceramics like semiconducting material, or made from the oxides of which are blended in suitable proportion like magnesium, nickel, lithium, and many other. Okay, so this has ceramic like semiconducting material structure in it and used for measuring the temperature. Okay, then thermocouple, also called as thermoelectric sensor, two wire of different metal twisted and braced or held together normal from copper, and constant time electromotive force is related to temperature, which is measured by voltmeter. So it is now thermocouple has a part of circuit, electric circuit. So in it two thermoelectric sensor wires are used, which are braced or which are twisted or which can be laced and connected, or from which can be made from the copper, and which are held at the two different materials or two different metals, and from which the circuit is connected, and the electromotive force, constantine electromotive force is indicates or measures the temperature by voltmeter. Okay. So next is digital electric temperature indication. Okay. Digital electric temperature indication is an instrument which directly display temperature measured with help of thermocouple and are available in multi-channel, so that more than one reading is can be recorded for different location. So here is digital electric temperature indicator. Okay, where it displays electronically, it displays temperature with the help of thermocouple, and which can record more than one reading for different location. Okay. Next is the radiation measurement instrument. It is used. So now first were for measuring temperature. Now these are for measurement of radiation. Radiation measurement instrument. It is used for measuring solar radiation and are basically of two types. First is pyrheliometer, using polymetal detached for measuring solar radiation from sun and small portions sky around sun. So this radiation for this device measures the sun radiation, radiation from the sun, and also the from small portion from the sky around the sun or environmental portion. Okay. Next is pyranometer for measuring hemispherical solar in bracket beam plus radiation, usually an horizontal surface. It is shaded from beam radiation by shade ring. So now this pyranometer measures the radiation from the sky which is in the round shape or which has the say hemispherical shape or hemispherical environment. Okay, this gives the measurement or indicates the measurement or gives the indications of the temperature or indications of the radiation from the hemispherical surface from the atmosphere or from the sky. Okay, then solarimeter, it is same as the pyranometer. Then sunshine recorder, it is used for measuring hours of bright sunshine. So it is used for measuring the sunshine or maximum sunlight for the across the day. Okay, along the day. Then photosynthesis analyzer, portable photosynthesis system. This system extends the boundaries of exchange research by providing a portable instrument. It makes rapid simultaneous measurement of photosynthesis rate and stomata conductance with typical CO2 depletion of only 1 to 100 ppm, and very small RH changes measurement are made near ambient condition. So this is photosynthesis analyzer, which has a portable instrument and which makes can sense the typical CO2 depletion from 1 to 100 ppm, and also can sense the RH changes, which gives the photosynthesis, which analyzes the photosynthesis rate. Okay. Next is leaf area index. The measurement of amount of foliage and its distribution is fundamental to radiation penetration. Radiation penetration direct measure of canopy structure are tedious and labor intensive in small canopies. So this is for leaf area index. It also for measurement of the amount of foliage and its distribution. So foliage amount and its distribution from the radiation penetration through the canopy structure and to the it can indicate the leaf area from this all this uh, information or from all this data. Okay. Measurement of humidity. The amount of water content in the atmosphere is humidity, an important parameter in growth of greenhouse crop. So amount of water content in the atmosphere or in the air gives the humidity rate. Okay. Next is absolute humidity. It is the mass of water vapor content present in unit volume of moist air. So mass of water vapor in unit volume of moist air, that will be given by the formula gram per meter cube, that is absolute humidity. Relative humidity, the ratio between actual water vapor content of air and amount of water or amount of vapor air could hold at saturation of some temperature. The ratio of so humidity, relative humidity is the ratio between actual water vapor content of air and amount of water vapor that could be held for by the same temperature at saturation. Okay, so this is given by the formula by RH is equal to rho by PS into 100 whole into 100 at same temperature. Okay, measurement of pH indicates the widely acidity and alkalinity of soil. So pH all we know is below 7 and after 7 that will be indicating acidity and alkalinity of soil. Data logger. It is the measurement which can measure various parameters simultaneously. So data logger which can be stored the data or we can have the data from the for the various parameters simultaneously. Okay. So thank you for this practical. Okay.